Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code without downloading any installer in 2 minutes. So let's start. First of all, search for command prompt. Then open your command prompt as a administrator mode. Now expand this. Now type a command Winget and press enter. So Winget is package which by default comes with the Windows. So I just want to make sure that it is already there on your Windows. So as per the result, Winget is already present on my Windows system. Now type a command Winget search. Now we want to search a package called as VS Code. So type VS Code. Now you need to type a simple command Winget search VS Code, press enter, and over here you can see the result. This is the first result, which is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Now select the ID, press Ctrl C. Now it is already copied. Now again type a command Winget install and Ctrl V the ID of the package. So there is simple command Winget install Microsoft.Visual Studio Code. This we already have copied from our result. Now press enter and sit back and relax. Now over here you can see it is automatically downloading the exe or installer file, which is of 110 MB. Now wait for some time. So downloading has already finished, and over here you can see the setup is running. It is installing all the files automatically, and you can see the message, it is successfully installed. Now go here and type code, and over here you can see Visual Studio Code is successfully installed on my Windows computer. That's it. In this way, this is a simple way to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows system. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.